everyone, I am Anvika and today I am going to discuss rounding of numbers. So the first number is 84. The smallest 10 for 84 is 80 and the biggest 10 is 90. So this goes in 80. The next number is 13. The smallest 10 for 13 is 10 and the biggest 10 is 20. So it goes in 10. Now the next number is 35. The smallest 10 for 35 is 30 and the biggest 10 is 40. So this goes in 40. The next number is 67. The smallest 10 for 67 is 60 and the biggest 10 is 70. So this will go in 70. Now the next number is 78. The smallest 10 for 78 is 70 and the biggest 10 is 80. So this will go in 80. And the next number is 52. The smallest 10 for 52 is 50 and the biggest 10 is 60. So this will go in 50. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to get the nearest 10 of a given number. So here is my number line and I marked the 10 places and here are the numbers. Let's start with the rules. So if the ones place is 5 or more, it should go to the bigger tens. If the ones place is smaller than 5, it should go to the smaller tens. So here I have 15. It's between 10 and 20. But the ones place is 5, so it will round up to 20. Here I have 32. It's between 30 and 40. But the ones place is 2, so it will round down to 30. Here I have 46. It's between 40 and 50. But the ones place is 6, so it will round up to 50. Here I have 48. It's between 40 and 50 again. But the ones place is 8, so it will round up to 50. Here I have 69. It's between 60 and 70. But the ones place is 9, so it will round up to 70. Thank you.
Hello everyone, we are learning about rounding off to the nearest number. I got 78. 78's biggest 10 is 80 and the smallest 10 is 70. So 78 goes on 80. Now I have 45. 45 smallest 10 is 40 and the biggest 10 is 50. So this goes to 50. Now I got 99. 99 smallest 10 is 90 and the biggest 10 is 100. So it goes on 100. Now I got 50. 50 is a already rounded number. So 50 goes on 50. Now I have 2. 2 smallest 10 is 0 and the biggest 10 is 10. So it goes on 0. Now I have 12. 12 smallest 10 is 10 and the biggest 10 is 20. So it goes on 20. 10.
So today I'm going to do the rounding up activity. So now I'm going to pick 3. 3's smaller 10 is 0 and bigger 10 is 10. So I'm going to round it off to 0. Now I'm going to pick 11. So 11's smaller 10 is 10 and the bigger 10 is 20. So I'm going to round it off to 10. Now I'm going to pick 55. So 55's smaller 10 is 50 and biggest 10 is 60. So I'm going to round it off to 60. Now I'm going to pick 26. 26 smaller 10 is 20 and the bigger 10 is 30. So I'm going to round it off to the bigger 10, 30. Now I'm going to pick 77. So 77 smaller 10 is 70 and the bigger 10 is 80. So I will round it off to 80. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you. I'm Samhita from class 2A. Today in this video, we're going to learn how to round off numbers to the nearest 10. So let's begin. My first number is 24. An easy way to round off numbers is by drawing a mountain like this. For the number 24, the smaller 10 is 20 and the bigger 10 is 30. By drawing a car on 24 and imagining it as a toy car, I let it go and it will fall down on number 20. So 24 is rounded off to the smaller 10, which is 20. In the same way, we can round off other numbers by drawing a mountain like this. Our next number is 57. The smaller 10 of 57 is 50 and the bigger 10 is 60. 57 is rounded off to the bigger 10, which is 60. Oh, our next number is 32. The smaller 10 of 32 is 30 and the bigger 10 is 40. 32 is rounded off to the smaller 10, which is 30. Our next number is 66. The smaller 10 of 66 is 60 and the bigger 10 is 70. So 66 is rounded off to the bigger 10, which is 70. Our last number for today is 85. The smaller 10 of 85 is 80 and the bigger 10 of 85 is 90. 85 is always rounded off to the bigger 10, which is 90. I hope you all liked my video and understood the concept clearly. Meet you next time. Bye-bye and thank you.
This is the number 84. The smallest 10 for 84 is 80. The biggest 10 for 84 is 90. We should put this in the 80s cup. This is the number 36. The smallest 10 for 36 is 30. The biggest 10 for 36 is 40. We should put this in the 40s cup. This is the number 45. The smallest 10 for 45 is 40. The biggest 10 for 45 is 50. We should put this in the 50 cup. This is the number 12. The smallest 10 for 12 is 10. The biggest 10 for 12 is 20. We should put this in the 10s cup. This is the number 77. The smallest 10 for 77 is 70. The biggest 10 for 77 is 80. We should put this in the 80s